The apps that stay popular year after year usually aren't the ones with the biggest earning claims. They're the ones that continue offering clear earning methods and reliable redemption systems month after month. By the end, you'll know 7 established reward apps that continue operating in 2026, and what makes each one a dependable option for long-term use. Let's start with the first 3. Number 7 is Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards sends eligible users short surveys when they're available. The process is simple, making it easy to understand how rewards are earned and redeemed. Number 6 is Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog rewards users for uploading eligible shopping receipts and participating in available activities. If you're already saving receipts, it's an easy app to add to your routine. Number 5 is Shopkick. Shopkick lets users earn rewards through qualifying shopping activities, including participating store visits and eligible purchases. The variety of earning methods gives users more flexibility. Now let's move into the top 4. Number 4 is Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards focuses on receipt scanning for qualifying purchases. The earning process has stayed straightforward, making it one of the easier shopping reward apps to use consistently. Number 3 is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars combines eligible surveys, promotional offers, and other supported activities in one account. Having multiple earning categories helps users stay active, even if one opportunity slows down. Number 2 is Ibotta.t. Ibotta continues centering its platform around cashback shopping. Activate eligible offers before purchasing, complete your shopping, then submit your receipt or use supported retailer account linking when available. The number 1 spot goes to Swagbucks. Swagbucks offers several earning options through one platform, including eligible surveys, shopping offers, supported games, and promotional tasks. That flexibility makes it easier for users to choose activities that fit their daily routine instead of relying on only one earning method. Here's what all 7 apps have in common. They clearly explain how rewards are earned, how redemptions work, and what users need to do before requesting a payout. None of them promise guaranteed income or overnight success. The best approach is to focus on 1 or 2 apps first, learn their earning system, and complete your first successful redemption before adding more platforms to your routine. The biggest takeaway is that Swagbucks, Ibotta, Inbox Dollars, Fetch Rewards, Shopkick, Receipt Hog, and Google Opinion Rewards continue standing out because they rely on consistent earning systems rather than flashy promises. That consistency is what keeps many users coming back month after month. Your next step is to pick the app that best matches your shopping or online habits and complete your first eligible redemption. If this ranking helped you find reliable reward apps for 2026, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews, payout guides, and weekly updates.